Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use boost or in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you also need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the boost or in Dark War Survival. So open the Heroes menu. So in the bottom left corner we have the Heroes menu, as you can see. There, select the hero whose gear you want to upgrade. So just go and tap on the hero which you want. And here we have the upgrade where you can upgrade your heroes. Now here, when the hero can of course get the ore, these that I have here cannot, you can of course have the equip button. Select a piece of equipment, weapon, armor, boots, etc. and tap enhance. Then spend boost ores and if needed, old equipment to increase the equipment's level. What boost ores does, upgrades the equipment from level 1 to level 20, increases the equipment stats, and once an orange item reaches level 20, you'll switch to power cores for promotion upgrades. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.